Hi guys, welcome to Bucky's Touch where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'm making coconut tallow soap. Stay tuned. So my oils are ready: 16 ounces tallow and 16 ounces coconut oil. As you can see, my coconut oil is infused with basil. It's looking all green. I had it in my cupboard for such a long time and I thought, why not? Let me just utilize it. So I'm going to try something new today. I've been seeing people pouring the lye solution to dissolve their oils. So I have my 2-pound mold. As you can see, my lye solution is ready. I'm a little anxious. I'm a little anxious because I've never done it before, pouring it into this. Yeah, I just have to keep my fingers crossed. I have my stick blender here on standby just in case I'll need it. So we'll now start by pouring our lye solution to melt the tallow because my coconut oil is already in liquid form. So yeah, let's do some pouring here. And you also keep your fingers crossed. Anyway, some of you are already familiar with this. I'm not. And I think I should have done a little more research or watched a little more videos in order to just gain that confidence to do it. But it just came in my mind. I thought, let me just try this out. So now, this looks awful. My goodness. And these things, anyway, let me just continue stirring. Maybe they'll just melt as I continue stirring. But oh my God, I just don't like the look of this thing. It looks awful. My goodness. You know what? I don't think this thing will work out with this stirring. I just have to come up with my plan B because I've realized my mistake. This tallow came straight from the freezer. I should have given it a chance to thaw out, but I guess I was too much in a hurry. So my plan B is to just pour this into my crock pot and try to melt the tallow in the crock pot. Well, it's a cold processed soap that I want to make, but I'm not going to allow it to go to that place where it turns into a hot processed soap. All I want is for the tallow to melt. So right now, I'm just feeling so angry. Something that would have lasted just a few minutes, now it's taken me such a long time to make it look this smooth. Yeah. So at this point, I'm going to just make sure that all the tallow has melted. But from the look of things, it looks like all those chunks have melted. Yeah, then I'm going to add essential oil. You can add the essential oil of your choice. I'm using the lavender. And we will stir it in. It just feels like avocado. Yeah, and it looks like avocado. So now we're going to pour it into our mold. Yeah, we tap it, so make sure that all those air bubbles are gone and that it settles in nicely in the mold. This was not a happy experience for me, and I didn't plan to add any basil. It's just that I had this oil for a very long time in my cupboard, but it has given my soap a very lovely color. And despite using the crock pot as my plan B, it looks good, and I'm looking forward to unmolding time. Don't get bored with my usual decorating. I mean, I'm not a pro in decorating, so this is what I know. Maybe in the future I'll come up with something new, but for now, Just bear with me. Whipping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. This is how it looks after the decoration. And I'm going to cover it. This is another 2-pound mold that I have. And then I'll put a towel over so that the heat is trapped during the saponification process. And then I'm looking forward to the next day to just see how this turns out. It better turn out good. I've already washed my crock pot right there in that corner there. Yeah, so the following day, bright and early, let's do some unmolding. This is my favorite time. Yeah, I'm a little also anxious. Oh, okay. Looks lovely and feels hard. I normally pop them in the freezer when they're soft so that they can easily come out of the mold. This is my soap cutter. My soap is higher than the cutter, so I normally get challenges to make it straight, but I'll try my best. After all, it's not for sale. My husband is tired of using those small soaps in the round mold, so he wanted something big. Yeah, I'm gonna use this blade for cutting. Yeah, I want to make them a little thicker in size. Yeah. I was frustrated with this soap and it has just turned out so lovely. You know, sometimes it's very difficult to recreate a mistake, especially the coloring. I had the oil for something completely different, but then when it stayed way too long in the cupboard, I just combined it with other oils that I had in little bottles and decided to make soap. Oh my God, this is amazing. I am just happy now. All that frustration is all gone. I feel like dancing. I am excited. I think this is going to be a lovely soap. You know, the tallow gives it that hardness, and then the coconut, you know, it's the cleansing properties. Look at it, guys. Coconut tallow soap. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.